Welcome to another Enapps screencast. Today I'd like to talk about our new project functionality. I'm just going to open a project here called Internal Server Build Project. And here, as you can see, there's a lot of information immediately about the project. We have the project members, very similar to setting up an email recipient list. We have project managers who can be contributors or not. And we also have external members. Now, the external members can actually do things like create new tasks or actually be collaborators into the real project within the ERP system. I'd just like to go through each tab in turn and give you a little bit more information. Moving on to the Tasks tab. Here we have a list of the tasks, the ones that are drafted in testing. Just moving on to the Work Blocks tab. Now, Work Block is a bunch of tasks together, and here, as you can see, we have some that have been done, one that's in progress. Invoicing. We have a fairly simple invoicing plan here of 20% and 80%, and as you can see here, this is our current status. Now moving to the sales and purchases. Here we have lists of all the sales, all the lines, purchases made for this project. Now moving to the deliveries tab. Again, we have all of the incoming and outgoing deliveries associated with this project. Now moving to the accounting tab. And here we see all the stock transits and the work in progress stock and sales stock associated with the project. And last but not least, the financials tab. Here we see a snapshot of the financials at any point in time on the whole project. I'd just like to move back now to the Work Blocks tab, because now we can actually go in and see a Gantt view. I'm now just going to change to the day scale and have a scroll through the timeline. I'm now showing how you can move tasks very easily on the Gantt chart just by sliding left and right. And you can also change the percentages completed of the tasks just by sliding the internal bar left and right. It's also very easy to link tasks together. As you can see here, I'm just joining two tasks, and if you make a mistake, it's also very easy to delete. You can also simply add a new task under any work block just by clicking the plus sign. I'm just creating a new task here, which is another testing phase. And I'm just going to link it to the existing testing phase, just showing you how easy it is to link and create tasks. You can also see that as I hover over a task, I get information about that task. We can collapse and expand the view using the tree view on the left. And we can also collapse the whole project where we just see the blue line, which is the whole project timeline. As you can see, the Enapps ERP project functionality gives you the ability to fully manage any project and see a snapshot of the P&L on a project-by-project basis at any point in time. Thank you for listening.